Model, 67-plate Citroen Berlingo 625 Enterprise 1.6 BLUEHDI Euro 6 1 owner fridge van no VAT. Body, grey, fridge. Mileage, 151865. MOT, the 27th of November 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Apparently the fridge unit does not work, but this would still make an excellent work panel van already installed and super clean.